Hi, my name is Terry Register. Thank you for taking just a minute and let me introduce myself to you and tell you about our company, Capmar. We've been around over 40 years helping agents like yourself build and grow your life and annuity business. One of the things that makes us different than most carriers and most IMOs is that most of them give you a product, they give you a payout, and they process your business. How many of them are helping you prospect? How many of them are helping you build your CRM database? How many of them are helping you with your marketing campaigns and doing design work and helping you to build information and this new technology? Look at here. This is a state-of-the-art podcast system where we bring agents in, just like yourself, to help train the other agents and show them what they're doing. I had 2 agents in the last 30 days make over $90,000 of production off of their life and annuity business. So there's a form below, fill it out, or you can call me at 888-205-9404. That's 1-888-205-9404, and learn about our smart agent system and our Gaining Through training platform. No matter where you're a one-man shop or you have 100 agents, we have something to help each and every one of you. So I thank you for your time. Have a great day, and God bless, and keep safe.